Hey! In front of me is Motorola Moto E20 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this Motorola. First of all, go into Play Store and tap on the search bar. Now you need to type iOS Launcher and download this free app from this developer. Following that, just open it. Now you need to select while using the app, choose Allow and click Home button. Over here, choose iOS Launcher, tap on Always and click Got it. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Android. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!